Yo, can you guys... Hold on, bro. All right, sick. We can't see. You can't see me? Shut up, bro. Enough. Silence, George. Silence, George. Have a nice big cup of shut the fuck up. Think before you open your mouth, jackass. Try making a silly face. Have a nice big cup of shut the fuck up. Think before you open your mouth, jackass. Alright, dude. Let's fucking figure this thing out, man. I mean, we got bullish tendencies. Like, we might as well be bullish. We might as well bullshit and just fucking use TradeGPT and just act like we know what we're doing. Does that make sense? We on the same page? We just fuck around on TradeGPT and just make some money? How's that sound? Let me remember my password to this email. I think that's it. Is that right? Yep. Bing bong. Yo, what up, Vic? All right. All right, let's figure this out. Okay, I'm gonna go here. First thing is make this dark. And I'm not using ChatGPT. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I didn't just log into ChatGPT. I logged into TradeGPT. If I could use ChatGPT for this, right? You would, but ChatGPT is not trained on financial data. There's no motion on ChatGPT when it comes to trading. Hold on, let me turn on live chat. We just saw you log into chat. No, so I didn't just log into ChatGPT. This is TradeGPT. It's not a ChatGPT plugin. Essentially, that's not even close. It's not essentially a ChatGPT plugin. Here, I'll show you. So look, it's a language model that's independent of data on the internet, right? It's a language model trained on real-time financial data, and then instead of looking through the internet, it looks through real-time financial transactions. Very powerful, bro. I'm not here to convince you to use it. I'm just here to tell you what I do, right? So that way you guys don't think I'm cheating. TradeGPT is ChatGPT. No, guys, there's nothing to do with everything I just showed you and explained to you has anything to do with ChatGPT. There's no viable way to use ChatGPT for what I'm doing right now, right? Don't lie to us, Dexter. Yeah, guys, I mean, I'm not going to get riled up. You're not going to rile me up. You know what I mean? What do we got? NVIDIA 1210s per contract. No, NVIDIA 190s at 1210 a contract. Stop loss $10.89. So how did I get this trade, right? So how did I go from no trade to having a trade? I asked TradeGPT. I said, I'd like an in-the-money options trade to make right now. Give me the specific strike price, entry price, and expiration. I don't care what company it is. I don't want an in-depth analysis about the trade. Just give me the exact play to make on an option based on your best analysis and recommendation. Now, I just asked this, right? You watch this real-time generate in front of me. So we have this. What up, Stephen Davis? We have this 190 strike for the 13th of March. Oh, I love this, dude. Any trade that has this far out of an expiration, like, you can consider me playing ball, bro. I mean, everything goes up by March 13th. Okay, let's go here. Let's go to our trading account. I'm up 184% on XOM. It has gone down a little bit. Might consider selling XOM. I was at like 200 and something percent. But let's go here. Strike price 190 for these 13th of March. Wow, 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 wow. 190s, 1210s a contract, 13th of March. 190s, 190s are coming in at $11.65 at limit. But if we do market order, these are probably going to come in right around $12. So we'll do a bigger trade on this because I have no other active. I showed you guys. I closed out of all my active positions except for XOM live on stream on Friday. So I have nothing else. No irons in the fire. So if I'm going to scratch that itch, right, I'm going to need some I need some big boy money on this trade. So I put 10 grand on it. I put 10 grand on these NVDA contracts. I'm going to show you guys my fill here. Give me a second. Here's my fill. Whoa. What the fuck just happened? Okay. Huh. Hold on, here's my fill. Not sure about this one, Dexter. It went up $20 in a few days. Got to do 50K on the next one. Crazy work, bro. I mean, I know you I know that'd be awesome, but obviously I still have financial restrictions, bro. I'm not Destiny IFC. I can't just be throwing 50 grand at a trade without more confidence in that. Bro, Zebra, I'm not playing these. It's not like I'm in here for very long, bro. Right, unless the stock falls off a cliff today, it's not going to touch the 30 grand, not including XOM I cashed out of last week. But I'm in this trade right now and I hate the way it looks. I wouldn't take this one. Anyone with a brain shouldn't take this one. Anyone with a fucking dome piece should know that this wasn't a good fucking trade. Anybody with matter between their ears would have known that this is a bad trade to take, and I just threw a pretty decent amount of money at it. So I'll say this might be a rocky start, but we're gonna be fine. Here's my fill, boys. This is my trade. Yeah, gonna give it a little while. Not a bad idea, bro. Not a bad idea. Bro thinks he's Steven Davis. I mean, no, I'll never be Steven Davis. Yeah, I'm going to throw up. I'm just going to throw up. I don't have the patience for this shit, bro. Yeah, I'm down $8, whatever. But if if it goes down to like 189, dude. I lied. We do have one other active position. It's this shit. This SOXL trade. Now, it was this NVIDIA call. Honestly, bro, I would wait. I got a really bad fill. The stock is up $20. This isn't like prime. Yeah, it was a 190 strike long call for the 13th of March. But like, yeah, I mean, unless we get a $200 NVIDIA today. Well, not today, but. It's my trade right now. I filled at $11.90. So I had a decent fill to what TradeGPT told me to do. Just like I don't know. What's good though, guys? How was the weekend? What'd you guys do? I didn't even watch the Super Bowl, bro. I literally didn't watch 1 second of the Super Bowl. I was going to, and then I was trying to find it, find the Super Bowl, and I feel like the Super Bowl should be 2 clicks away no matter where you're at. I feel like finding the Super Bowl should take you 2 clicks. And now that I'm in marketing, anything that you want the world to see for free should be 2 clicks away. It should be the initial click of clicking on a major streaming platform, and then it should be the secondary click of clicking the major event that's on the top of the streaming platform's page. If I can't get to it in 2 clicks, I'm out, bro. So I attempted it. I went to YouTube to see if they'd be live streaming the Super Bowl, which they absolutely should have been live streaming the Super Bowl on YouTube. And then I immediately saw that on the number 1 video that was being recommended to me wasn't the Super Bowl. I was gone. I immediately just opened back up Arc Raiders and started playing Arc Raiders. And then it was like -7 degrees yesterday during the day in New York. So I was like, I wasn't gonna go and to the homie's house because he was doing like a Super Bowl watch party, and then he told me, he's like, bro, no one's coming because it's so cold. So I was like, bro, yeah, I'm out. Oracle, good shit. Red means bad. Wait, I'm starting to get it. It's just the stock price is really high. The stock price is really high. Yeah, I mean, this wasn't like a follow. Like, this was like one of those trades, man. We're gonna see what happens. We filled kind of at an ass point. But my point with the Super Bowl is, dude, any major event should be 2 clicks. It should. If you want the world to see your event, you should set it up so that any regular person finds your event in 2 clicks. 1 click is even better, right? But obviously we can't control. What up, Mr. Mimic Maker? You know what I mean? I'm not going to fucking spend all day tapping away and clicking away. Clicks are important, bro. The click in attention like terms is the form of currency. The more you digitally engage with something is what it takes. Here we go. We're kind of cooking here. I might not fuck around here. I might go to 1% profit and take my $100 on this $9,500 trade. Am I holding any stocks? Yeah, I'm holding 10 stocks. Like actually, like seriously holding. I'll go through right now. I am holding Amazon, Apple, SoFi, NVIDIA, Google, GSWO, and Lucid Motors. I like to buy something long term. I mean, dude, look at these. We were doing a ton of research on these tech sector ETFs. There's this one, JEPQ by JP Morgan. JEPQ, Zebra. I would look into that. It's like a tech ETF that pays weekly dividends. Really dope for long-term holdings. Look into any like index funds or anything like that. That's the sauce, bro. Who's that chess player, the Asian dude, Hikaru? He said that ETFs were the move. JEPQ. How many trades? I took 1 trade. SCHD. Yeah, bro, take advice from George. Take your trading advice from George. I remember George one time showed me his portfolio, and dude was like 70% of his portfolio is in MSTU. Right? HRZN gives best dividend comparing to cost per stock. Word. You guys hear Jeff Bezos stepped up as the co-CEO as for Prometheus? They said Prometheus AI might be one of the biggest companies of all time. Suck my nuts, bro. Yeah, sure. I hope MSTO is performing. But yeah, man. Let's see where we're at here on NVIDIA. This isn't looking good. This isn't looking good at all. Down 1.6%. Only person taking advice from his destiny. What is SCHG? What is it? What is it? I'm curious. It's a good long-term hold, just Schwab large cap tech growth ETF. From the storm. George Faber just DM'd me, Johnny. George Faber just DM'd me and he said, yo, add Johnny9 to the trading group chat. What a fucking idiot, dude. Dude literally just texted me, add Johnny9 to the trading group chat. I mean, honestly, I can't be too mad at this 190. I'm kind of in a pissy little, like, pouty mood for some reason. I don't know why. But let me show you guys where I'm at. Yeah, dude. Imagine trading this, imagine trading this right here. And just what are we talking about, man? Like, what is going on here, bro? This is my trade that I have $9,000 on right now, dude. You know what I mean? What exactly are we doing, bro? And this is a 1 minute chart. Like someone tell me what's going on, dude. It's a Monday freaking morning. There's no news. You know, this is just institutional liquidity and showing the power that these big boys have. There's no retail investor on the planet that could do this to a stock, let alone $1 trillion stock, right? It's not like the fucking emperor of the universe who has access to $1 quintillion is fucking trading this stock and making it do this. This is like bank and institutional pressure. As soon as I put $9,000 on options here. You know what I mean? Is the emperor of the universe in this trade with $1 quintillion? No, dude. Dexter, you need to clean up your desktop. Yeah, I know. My desktop is a mess. My weekend was good, bro. My weekend was good. Pretty uneventful. It's not. I mean, bro. Like at this point, dude. Like, if that's what you got to do for $9,000, bro. Like, good riddance, bro. You know what I mean? Like, if you got to scam people to make $20,000, like, good. Like, good job, bro. Good job. I'll go get $20,000 from working, bro. I'd go back into sales like I was 22 years old and make $20,000 if I wanted $20,000. Or if I was pinched to make $20,000, I'd just get into sales, bro. You know what I mean? I wouldn't flagellate myself to the retail investor. Won $150,000 on a Super Bowl parlay. Crybaby host, L evil host. I'm the emperor of the universe. I'll show you some power liquid dirt. What happened at 11 a.m. sharp? Like, why at 11 a.m. on the dot did this thing rip like it did, bro? That's the momentum we were following. It just doesn't make sense. Like, is that a sweep? Whatever, dude. I'm not going to sit here and cry, bro. Maybe I just need to take a break. Host has herpes. My name isn't host. What am I looking for? I need like a 193 to make $1,000 bucks.